be showing you how to set up your VS Code in case your VS Code is not running. So I'm gonna be opening my VS Code now for you guys to see. This is my VS Code, and okay, now I need to open my file. Yeah, I have some file here which I'm gonna be opening. Yeah, this is the file, and just so that you guys can see, this is the file and this is the folder. I need to open the folder, and that's the folder where I have my file. Yes, now you guys see that it's giving me errors every time I'm trying to run C program, and this is what we're gonna be fixing. You guys can see that it shows error and it's asking me that there's no part to debugger, so we're gonna be fixing that. And so first of all, we need a compiler which we need to use to compile our C program. So we need a compiler. So we need to go to the website. So just go to this website, sys2.org. Just go to this website. Let's see how to, okay, I'm trying to close this. So the website, let's go to the website. This is what you're going to see. So just download this, and follow this these steps. Is very easy. Just install the MSys2 now, and after that I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to copy add to part. Let me type that, add to part. This is the most challenging part that we need to fix. Add to part is what enables your terminal or your system to recognize GCC. That's all we need. So after installation, once you've done installing that, and what you need to do next is to come here, go here. So when you get here, just type MSys2, then you cannot see a lot of environment or this, but the one you need to click is this one. Just click this one, and that's MSys2. That's what you need to click. I don't know if you guys see it very well, so I'm going back. MSys2, not this, you're not clicking this. The one you need to click is actually this one. So this is what you need to click, and so just click here. Then on the website you're gonna see the code, the command they put there for you to install GCC. So this is the command. So just copy this command and just click paste the command here. But you need to edit this, you need to, because it's not gonna work. So just then like this, then you press enter, and after that it's going to install. Make sure you have internet connection, and it's going to install your GCC. And if it doesn't work, if that does not work, try again. Just copy the same code and paste it there again. It's going to start from where it stopped, because it needs to extract a lot of files. So if it does not work, let's say it's supposed to extract like 17 files and only 5 were able to be extracted, then you need to copy the code again and paste it there. So it's going to start and extract the other files that needs to be extracted. So if you try all this and it's still giving you some errors, like some files are not being able to retrieve, if you can't retrieve some files, there's another option, and that option is copy this code. We're going to change this code. You're going to change this code from, we're going to take this one out, so I'm going to take this out. Yeah, so So now if that doesn't work, if that does not work, what we need to do, even if that work but there are still some files that you can't extract, that is still showing issues, what we need to do, first of all, how do you know if it work? This is how you know if it work. Here, how to know if this work or not. This is how to know if it work. Just go here and go to M6 Ming 64, this exactly, then click here and just tap GCC version, and this is what I get because I have GCC. So if you don't have GCC, it's gonna tell you that you don't have GCC. It's gonna tell you that this command is not found. So that's how you know if it's work or not. So if it does not work, that means you need to install GCC. So what you just need to do, copy this code. Yeah, copy this code. Go to your M6, this exactly. Then paste the code here. Just paste the code. Just paste the code, and after that it's going to extract everything and it's going to work. And after that you going to have your GCC installed. Then after that, what we need to do next is install your debugger. So install your debugger, install your debugger. So that's what we need next. So how do you install your debugger? It's to the same process. Just go here, type M6 and go here again. Then this code, you're going to paste this code, but this time around you have to change the GCC to GDB. So just change it to GDB. Yeah, just change it to that and copy the code. Then go there. You need to paste the code. Just paste the code. Yeah, you paste the code here. Then it's going to install your GDB, which is your debugger. So after installing your debugger, we move to VS Code. This is your VS Code. So if you install your debugger, what you need to do, how to know that your debugger is working, is using the same code. Like you just come here, you know what I just said, you come here, M6, then you click here, just like the way I check GCC version, that's how you check if you have GCC. So if you want to check your GDB, the GDB version, then it says command not found because I don't have GDB. That is what it's going to say if you don't have it, and that's why I'm having command not found. And after installing, the next thing we need to do, after installing, now we need to add to path. This is what I mean by adding to path. Path means it's a folder where your command always check to look for something. So if you're trying to find something on your terminal or your command prompt, there's a folder where it's always look for that thing, and that folder is what we call path. That's what we call path. So now after installing your GCC, you need to copy your GCC into path. That's when your command prompts will be able to know that you have GCC. That's when it's going to be able to locate this GCC. It's just like a house. It's just like a house. Before I can locate your house, you need to give me your house address, and that's what we need to do now. We need to copy the location of your GCC and put that location inside this folder. So the path, and this path is where your command prompt always go to look for something. So if that location is there, it's going to be able to see your GCC. So let's go now. And how do we do that? Just go to your drive. I'm using bootcamp, so go to your drive. This one is a bootcamp. So just go to your drive. You're going to see a file like this, MC64. Click on that, then go to Ming64. Click on this, then open this bin. Once you open this bin, you're gonna see a lot of files. If you see a lot of files, it means that you have GCC. If you don't see any file here, it means you don't have GCC. You need to copy that code again and paste it to, install your GCC. So what we need to do is this program. We need the path. The location of this bin is what we need. So let's take a look at this location. So it's here. Then let's open and let's see the location well, and so that we can see the location. So this is one of the contents. So this is location. Now this is the location. So you guys have seen the location. This is location. So we need to put this location inside your system environment, and that's what we're going to do. So now, after copying that location, just come here and search for system environments. Now click on system environments and go to environment variables. Click on variables, then you're gonna see path. This is the path. Then click on that path and click edit. So once you click edit, you click new. Then after that, you paste the code here. That's how you had the path to the system environment. And now, because I've done this before, that's why you are seeing here. So now you see the same thing here. So paste the code here and click OK. But I'm not going to click OK because I have the path already. So, but for you, just click OK. So after doing that, now go here if you have GCC. So click here, then after click here, then write GCC version, then it's going to show you that you have GCC. If you have something like this, it means your GCC is now fully operational, and you can even find the location of GCC. You can find the location. You can type something like which GCC, and it's going to give you the location where GCC is located, and that's why we have something like this. So this is how to fix issues of debugger, issues of installing your compiler for C program. And if you have issue with Visual Studio, let's say your Visual Studio does not have place to run your code, you need to install extension. So if let's say your Visual Studio does not have something like this, you need to install extension, and here you go, here you install your extension. That's all. So I think you should be ready to go, and after this, your program, your VS Code, your GDB and GCC should be fully operational and ready to start coding. So if you find this video useful and informative, please like and subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to see you guys later.